Hello everyone, welcome back to Shubia's YouTube channel. This is Shubi MUA and today I'll be creating this beginner friendly eye makeup look, and if you're interested to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off with the base, I'll be using Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation in the shade 35 Frappe, and I'll apply it all over my face with the help of a brush, followed by Magic Wand Concealer in the shade 30 Chocosino, and I'll highlight my face using the same. With dabbing motions, I will blend the concealer using a damp makeup sponge. And then I'll apply face forward contour and blush stick in the shade Espresso and Coral Climax. This is just to add a hint of color to my face and add some structure. And to lock everything in place, I'm going to use Set the Tone Tinted Powder in the shade 10 Latte, and I'll apply it all over my face. Then I'll use two different eyebrow products. First off, I'll use Archival Brow Definer in the shade Felix Onyx, and I'll trace the shape of my eyebrow and fill in the sparse areas. And then I'll be using Archival Brow Powder in the shade Cherry Brown, and this is just to define my brows even more and fill in the empty areas or the patchy areas that I can see to make it look more defined. For my eyes, I'll be using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the style 01 Flawless, and I'll be using this green color as my transition shade, which I will be applying above my natural crease. And with the help of a blending brush, I will be applying the eyeshadow in back and forth motion and keep blending it until it appears smooth. Then I'll apply Coral and Earthy Orange. I'll apply Coral on the inner V of my lid, and I'll apply Earthy Orange on the outer V of my eye. And using a fluffy brush, I will blend them inwards like so, and I'll blend Earthy Orange inwards and outwards, and I'll apply the same color on my lower lash line as well. Now to add a pop of shimmer, you can use any of the colors, but I'll be using Bronze Gold. I'll blend it further and I'll apply the same shadow on my brow bone as well. I'm drawing a cat eyeliner, and I'm going to use my lower lash line as my guideline. And I'll further draw and extend that line towards my lash line and fill the empty areas. And then I'll apply Colophonic Kajal in the shade Blackout. I'll apply it only on the outer half, and I will smudge it out with the help of a brush, and this is how it will appear. And then I will apply a generous coat of mascara on my lashes, and this is how it will look. For my lips, I'm going to use Sugar Metal Liquid Lipstick in the shade Regal. I absolutely love this color, and I think it's perfect for any occasion. Then I'll use Contour de Force Face Palette in the style 01 Saddle Summit, and I'll apply the blush from this palette, and I'll also use the highlighter from the same. And with the help of a highlighter brush, I will apply it on my brow bone, inner corners, and wherever I need that extra glow. To add some dewiness and to set this makeup in place, I'm going to use Grand Finale Dewy Setting Spray. And that's it. I absolutely love how easy it is to create this look, and I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. And if you did, please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. I'd request you to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our channel. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.